Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a crochet cushion cover step by step. It's perfect for beginners and uses only 3 simple stitches. Keep watching if you want to learn. For the cover cushion you'll need 4.0mm crochet hook, or the size that works best with your yarn, 260 grams of acrylic yarn, 1 or 2 colors, cushion or a pillow insert. We're going to start by making a slip knot, and then we'll make chains until the piece is as long as we need for our cushion. I'm using a 45 cm by 45 cm cushion insert, so I'm measuring it as I go until it matches the size. Don't worry if your number of chains is different, it can change depending on your crochet tension. Keep adjusting the number of chains until it fits the size of your cushion. Once we have the length that works for our cushion, we'll crochet 2 more chains. Then, in the 3rd chain from the hook, we'll make a double crochet. This will be the start of our first row. For the first row, we'll make double crochet stitches all the way across the chain until we reach the end. For the second row, you need to make 2 chains and then 1 double crochet. Next, we'll make our first bubble stitch. The bubble stitch is always worked into the same stitch. Start like a double crochet, but don't finish it. Yarn over and repeat in the same stitch until you have 5 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. To finish, make 1 double crochet, another double crochet, and then repeat the bubble stitch. Throughout this row, repeat, bubble stitch, 2 double crochets. Keep repeating this pattern until the end of the row. If this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. Remember, you will repeat 2 double crochets, 1 popcorn stitch, or bubble stitch, and then 2 double crochets. This is how your project should look at this point. After completing the second round with bubble stitches, we're going to work a third round using only double crochet. When you're done with the last double crochet round, your piece should look like this. From here on, the pattern is very simple. Work one row of bubble stitch and one row of double crochet. Repeat this until you have 3 bubble stitch rows. Next, crochet 5 rows of double crochet, followed by 1 row of bubble stitch and 1 row of double crochet. Keep repeating this until you reach your desired length. If you have any questions about the pattern, check the link in the description for the written pattern on my blog. After finishing the first side of the cushion, you have 2 easy options for the other side. You can either make another piece exactly the same by following the same pattern, or you can create a simple back loop double crochet panel, which is what I did in the mustard color. To do this, just start with a chain to your desired length and work rows of double crochet in the back loop only until you reach the height you want. Once you finish both sides of your cushion, it's very important to check that they are the same size so they fit properly before joining them. To join them, we'll start by working part of the seam without the pillow insert inside for more comfort, and then we'll finish joining it with the pillow insert inside. To join the 2 panels, we'll single crochet around the first 2 sides of the square, and once those sides are joined, place the pillow insert inside. I used a mustard color to join the pieces, but feel free to use any color you prefer, even a contrasting color for a unique look. This is how it looks with the pillow insert inside and half of the single crochet stitches completed. To finish joining, I'm going to single crochet around the remaining side, but with the pillow insert inside the cover. In the video description, I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link where you can find pillow inserts and pillow stuffing in different sizes and shapes that you can use for this tutorial. By using this link, you're supporting my channel at no extra cost to you. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments which colors you used, and don't forget to like and subscribe.